Okay, I'm just gonna give a quick lesson here for free to my viewers on YouTube on some basic strike patterns with the cane. All right, so the first one is our Bundok Eskrima 8 angles. So this goes angle 1 to the head, angle 2 to the ribs or elbow, angle 3 to the ribs or elbow, angle 4 to the head, angle 5 thrust to the midsection, 6 thrust to the chest or throat or face, 7 thrust to the chest or throat or face. 8 is a downward slash that you have to be careful you don't accidentally hit your own leg. Okay, so these are just basic. You can add footwork and whatever you want with these, but you're gonna turn your hips, turn your hips, turn your hips, and then use your core. Drop weight on these downward strikes. Bam, bam, bam. Okay, this one, drop weight down on it. All right, so that's your basic 8. Now we can go downward X. This is just a figure 8 or an infinity sign. And now we're gonna go down and horizontal, down and horizontal. Of course, we can apply this from the opposite side. Okay, now rompita, up and down, down and up, down and up, down, down and up, down and up, down and up. Aldevez or upward 8 or upward X. Okay, redondo here or here or here or here. Circular strikes. Reinforced strikes or two-handed strikes. So you can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 if you want to play with it two-handed. But when you're practicing, start out slow, work your body mechanics, and then start adding some power. Okay, these are heavy canes, so sometimes you want to use it two-handed if you want to be a little faster with it. In close range, we're going to use it differently. Another strike you can practice is just bringing it up and giving it a quick jab. Okay, just bring it up, quick jab. Right from here, I'm telling you, you're talking here. Like, I don't want it. Just leave me alone, man. Okay, so this is some ways you can use your cane. Let's not forget that spinning your cane. So spinning your cane like this is a fun way to exercise, and it might not be super combative, but it is a fun way to coordinate movement, okay? And it keeps the body and the mind young. So get to know your cane if you're gonna carry one, or if you do carry one. And if you don't, hey, it's a fun way to exercise and do light resistance training without weights and with a purpose for self-defense or martial arts, but a way of keeping our bodies moving without really wrecking our bodies, okay? You can slow it down to and make it almost meditative. So that's just how I play with the cane, and some basic striking patterns that you can string together to make a flow. Then start adding footwork. All right. Thank you. Have a great day.